Shiba Inu is up nearly 10% on the week. Should you load up on some Shiba Inu token, or is it time to take some profits? Welcome back to the 99 YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today we're talking about Shiba Inu token, which is currently sitting at an $8.6 billion market cap, just under Dogecoin, up nearly 10% on the week and about 2% on the day. What's going on with the Doge killer? Today we're taking a look and a deep analyzation on Shiba Inu. But before we do that, I want to ask if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps with the channel tremendously and hopefully will help you reach your crypto goals. The crypto markets are looking amazing, to say the least. We see markets up over 1.2%. Fear and greed is at 51 neutral, and Bitcoin at $64,000, which is the highest has been in a very long time. And again, experts are saying that this is still a low point. We're definitely going to see $70,000 to $80,000 Bitcoin very soon. If that happens, the meme coins are going to go absolutely ballistic. Now, why am I saying this? It's simple. I'll show you why. This year alone, right? We can see around March time, right around the Bitcoin halving, Shiba Inu was pumping at its highest it pumped this year. Now, why was it happening? It's because Bitcoin was nearing all-time high zones and it hit all-time high zones. So if the same thing happens and Bitcoin hit all-time high zones again, people start having lots of confidence in meme coins and start loading up their bag in Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and other popular meme coins we've been mentioning on this channel. So make sure you load up all the meme coins before Bitcoin pumps. That's a very crucial thing to watch, especially even if you're just a DJ meme investor. You need to understand what's going on with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, and all these altcoins, because it really replicates and reflects on how the meme coins will perform. Now, we're talking about buying meme coins in early. Here's a chance to buy a meme coin mega early, and that is Pepe Unchain. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during pre-sale to max out on your rewards before the price skyrockets. So Pepe Unchain, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor. And in 19 hours of having their next price raise, these prices already raised over $15 million in the pre-sale alone. And when it gets listed, we're anticipating to hit 100 million, 200 million, $1 billion market cap. It could go absolutely insane, especially if the timing is ever so perfect. It's launching close to the time where Bitcoin will pump, meaning the meme coin is going to go through a frenzy. Pepe coin will actually be pumping, which will be causing more traffic to come to Pepe Unchain. We're very bullish for this coin on this channel, so make sure you load up. Currently offering 140% AP. This price is looking bullish and bullish. So if you want to load up, I'm going to link this in the description below. But back to Shiba Inu, what's going on? We're taking a look at some news, some headlines. Dogecoin killer, Shiba Inu burn rates, and whales transactions are surging. What's going on? Shib trading is higher than 8% in the past 7 days, bolstered by optimism, burn rates, and whale transactions. So the whales are starting to load up on Shiba Inu again. The whales are seeing something, meaning we should definitely make a strike. What could a 1,000 surge in Shiba Inu mean for a $1,000 investment? Again, guys, that $1,000, 1,000% surge would be absolutely insane gains for people to load up. And again, $1,000 is a very small investment when thinking about the long term, right? We go ahead to the technical analysis, and technical analysis are looking pretty bullish as well. First of all, we can see the moving averages are sitting in a buy. The oscillators are sitting neutral, giving us a total summary of buy. Overall, starting to look bullish. The charts, the patterns are setting up. We can see it's just looking clean. We're up on the day. On the week, we're up a whopping 11%. On the 6 month, we're still down. We're making up for some gains that we made. Again, a lot of selling off. But I think the timing has never been so perfect. And now, especially with Bitcoin started pumping in, elections around the corner, interest rates being cut, looks like meme coins are going to pump very, very soon. We see Satoshi Kusoma making waves at token 2049. And that was a little recap. I think Shiba Inu is also going to be doing a bunch of crazy things. Oh yeah, right here. ShibCon is coming. Are you coming? Stay tuned. That's going to be massive to actually pull off this massive Shiba Inu conference. It'll be amazing. Amazing first 48 hours for K9 Finance team and Shib Army alike. Get the lockdown on the milestone achievements below. And we can see some massive milestones for K9 Finance. 2.5 million bone staked in liquidity staking, 1.5 million staked in farming K and bone, 50% circulating supply of K9 locked for average of 10.5 months. And the Shibarium net users has still access to up to 30% APR for locking K9 and 33.6% for staking bone. Again, some massive milestones just for Tay2 alone. And have a nice little graph for you to have some visual representation of what's going on. Now, with all this bullish news taking place, guys, especially with the taking in what's going on in the market, we can only anticipate some bullish events to take place, which are going to cause meme coins and Shiba Inu specifically to pump even more. But remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But do let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish on Shiba Inu? Are you bearish? What do you think is going to happen next? I'm feeling pretty bullish, and I want to hear what you guys think in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.